Autumn isn't just a change in weather, it's your chance to transform your yard into a masterpiece. Imagine brilliant reds, glowing golds, and rich hues so bold, they turn every glance into a double take. This season, your gardens steal the spotlight. Welcome to TN Nursery YouTube channel, where generations of growers deliver native trees, fast shipping, and expert planting tips to help you create the garden you've always wanted. Today, fall pre-orders are officially open, and we're spotlighting must-have autumn trees like sweetgum, red maple, and scarlet oak. These seasonal showstoppers go fast, so secure yours now at tnnursery.net before they disappear. Our blog is all about helping you choose the best native trees for bold fall color, long-term growth, and effortless beauty year after year. First up, the classic red maple. With its bold crimson leaves and fast growth, it's a fall favorite for a reason. It thrives in many climates and adds dramatic color to your yard from late October through November. Next, the legendary sugar maple. This beauty paints the landscape with fiery oranges, glowing yellows, and deep reds, often all at once. It's the tree behind those postcard-perfect fall scenes, and it's available now at TN Nursery. Third on the list, blackgum, also known as tupelo. Its glossy leaves turn vivid scarlet early in the season. This low-maintenance native is also loved by wildlife and built to last for generations. Coming in hot, scarlet oak. Its deep red foliage can last well into late fall, adding stunning height and structure to your yard. Perfect for those who want bold color with strong, classic form. Finally, the multicolored marvel sweetgum. Its star-shaped leaves light up in a mix of red, orange, yellow, and even purple. Talk about a natural kaleidoscope for your landscape. Every one of these autumn stunners is native, nursery-grown, and available for fall pre-order right now at tnnursery.net. Planting in fall gives your trees a head start and your yard a head-turning upgrade. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space this autumn, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss expert tips from the TN Nursery team. Fall colors fade fast, but your dream landscape can last a lifetime. Visit tnnursery.net and let's plant something unforgettable.